Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your bank isn't opening. The money in your account? Frozen. The cash in your wallet? Worthless. What would you do? Well, millions of people around the world have already faced something like this. And that's where cryptocurrency enters the story. Today we're going on a 30-minute journey into the fascinating, controversial, and world-changing universe of crypto. By the end of this video, you'll understand what crypto really is, why it matters, and how it could reshape the way you think about money forever. The origin story. Let's go back to the year 2008. A global financial crisis was unfolding. Banks were collapsing, people were losing their homes, and governments were bailing out massive corporations. Trust in the financial system was at an all-time low. Then, out of nowhere, a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper called Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. In January 2009, Bitcoin was born. The very first block of the Bitcoin network is called the Genesis block. It contained a hidden message. The Times, 03, Jan 2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. That message was no accident. It symbolized resistance to the fragile and corrupt financial system. And here's a fun fact. The first real purchase using Bitcoin was 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. Today, that amount would be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. What is crypto? Really? At its core, cryptocurrency is powered by something called blockchain. Think of it like a digital ledger that is secure, transparent, and permanent. Here's a simple analogy. Imagine a Google Doc that everyone can see and add to, but no one can secretly erase or alter. That's a blockchain. There are coins, like Bitcoin. Then there are tokens, which are built on top of blockchains like Ethereum. The key idea is decentralization. No single bank, government, or corporation controls it. And thanks to cryptography, transactions can't easily be faked. That's what makes it secure. The rise of Ethereum and smart contracts. In 2015, Ethereum arrived. Unlike Bitcoin, it wasn't just digital money. It introduced smart contracts. These are pieces of code that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. Think of it like a vending machine. You put in a coin, press a button, and get your snack. No cashier needed. Smart contracts do the same thing for financial agreements. Ethereum unlocked new possibilities. Decentralized finance, NFTs, and decentralized organizations known as DAOs. Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, imagined a world where blockchains could go far beyond money. The Wild West era, the year 2017, saw the rise of initial coin offerings, or ICOs. New projects were raising billions of dollars almost overnight. Many of them turned out to be scams. Some early adopters became millionaires. But there were also painful crashes. Bitcoin shot up to $20,000, then fell all the way down to $3,000. We also saw meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu gaining popularity. The lesson? The world of crypto is volatile, full of speculation, and moves in extreme hype cycles. Why crypto matters? For some people, crypto is not just an investment, it's survival. In countries like Venezuela, Nigeria, and Turkey, unstable currencies have forced people to look for alternatives. Crypto gives them financial freedom. Sending money across borders with crypto is fast and cheap compared to traditional banks. NFTs have opened up new opportunities for artists and creators to truly own and sell their work. Decentralized finance allows anyone with an internet connection to borrow, lend, and trade without asking permission from a bank. Of course, there are criticisms, energy usage, scams, lack of regulation. But the industry is adapting with new solutions. Governments, institutions, and the future crypto started as an outsider movement. Today, it's being adopted by big companies like Tesla, PayPal, and Visa. Governments are experimenting with their own versions of digital money called central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Regulation is one of the biggest debates right now. On one hand, it protects consumers. On the other, it could slow innovation. We've even seen Wall Street embrace Bitcoin with ETF approvals. Can governments ban crypto entirely? It's unlikely, but it's not impossible. What's next? What could the next decade look like? Some believe we'll see mainstream adoption across the world. Crypto could power gaming, metaverse worlds, supply chains, and even digital identity systems. We may also see blockchain working together with artificial intelligence. Will Bitcoin become digital, gold, a permanent store of value? Or will a new technology take its place? Closing crypto isn't just about money, it's about power, it's about trust, and it's about possibility. Whether you see it as the future of finance or just a speculative bubble, one thing is clear. Crypto has already changed the world, and it's not going away anytime soon. So the next time you hear about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or that weird new coin named after a dog, remember, this isn't just internet money, it's a revolution. The only question is, will you be part of it, or will you watch it pass you by? Outro, call to action. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what you think the future of crypto looks like. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.